Meet our patient Sudarshan Taneja, who overcame walking difficulties and right knee pain through a successful total knee replacement. Before and after surgery. Before surgery. Before surgery planning for surgery cuts. Restricted and painful knee bending. During surgery. Testing knee bending during surgery. Muscle sparing, no muscle cut, subastus technique used for knee resurfacing. Damaged cartilage of the knee removed with precision and accuracy. Legs movements 5 hours after surgery. Knee bending 5 hours after surgery. Fast Track Recovery Program. Before and after surgery X-ray. 24 hours after surgery. Walking with walker 24 hours after surgery. "48 hours after surgery, stitchless surgery. Walking unassisted and pain-free. Fit for discharge and happy to go home after painless recovery. 5 days after surgery. Three weeks after surgery. This is after 3 weeks OPD follow-up to assess full knee movements without pain. Before and after surgery.